Welcome to the 40 Customs Electric Waves battery decal installation for the Super73 R and S2 line of e-bikes. We begin with removing the battery from the bike. To remove the old decal stickers, we have to apply some heat to the surface with a heat gun or hairdryer. When the surface is warm, it becomes easier to peel off the old decals. Repeat this process for all sides. With the decals removed, we can use a degreaser to remove any remaining glue from the battery surface. When applying the new decals, make sure you line it up properly. If you need to reapply the sticker, it will increase the chance to damage the new decals. You can use a fiber cloth to rub out any air pockets on the surface, and also use some degreaser to remove excessive glue around the edges. Repeat this process for all sides. Make sure to check out our other installation videos and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching, and ride safe.